Hello dear students, now we are going to move forward for the next in model auxiliaries. So please note down next of it. Next point of yours is as an auxiliary the third person singular of need pay attention to it, okay, is always need and not needs. Okay, pay attention to this. Need will remain need and it will not become needs. Okay, for example, he need not worry anymore. Okay, it will not be needs. Due to he, it will not be needs. Okay, pay attention towards this. Now next point of yours is in negative and interrogative sentences in negative and interrogative sentences need, we are talking about need, is never followed by to. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों, is never followed by to. From the next example you will understand in negative and interrogative sentences need, that is model auxiliary here, is never followed by to. इसको कभी भी to से follow नहीं करते हैं, जैसा कि आप इस एग्जाम्पल में देखोगे. ठीक है, pay attention to both. Need, your example is need he do any work. Okay, you can see here that need is not followed by to in this example. Okay, so you have to just learn properly. Okay, he needn't do any work. Clear? But one more thing is there to be noted. तो बच्चों आपने जैसा कि देखा यहाँ पे एज एन ऑक्सिलरी द पर्सन सिंगुलर ऑफ नीड इज़ ऑलवेज नीड एंड नॉट नीड्स. कभी भी नीड्स नहीं होता है, जैसा कि एग्जांपल में भी आपने देखा ही नीड नॉट वरी एनी मोर. ओके, क्लियर टू यू. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ योर्स इज इन नेगेटिव एंड इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेज नीड इज नेवर फॉलोड बाई टू. नीड को कभी भी टू से फॉलो नहीं करते. नीड he do any work? No, he needn't do any work. Okay, so you have seen through this example that need is never followed by to. Now we are moving next for the next point. But dear students, in the following sentences, need, what is that? Need is followed by to. You will see. Okay. Example, one of it. He needs to go now. Okay, that is affirmative. ठीक है बच्चों, यहाँ पर नीड्स भी है और टू भी है. नीड्स को टू से फॉलो किया गया है. ठीक है, और ये एक अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस है. ओके, नेक्स्ट फॉर यू इज ही डज नॉट नीड टू गो नाउ. And that is an which type of the sentence? That is a negative sentence. Okay, कैसा sentence है बच्चों ये? Negative. Pay proper attention towards the board. Okay. Next example is, does he need to go now? Okay, so just pay proper attention. And this is the example from an interrogative sentence. Okay, so I mean to say, if you study the above sentences, carefully, you will find you have to note this point. Okay, you will find that here need has been used as a principal verb. Okay, कैसे यूज किया गया है? एज अ प्रिंसिपल वर्ब. पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड अगेन. ओके, एंड नॉट एज एन ऑक्सिलरी. Okay, need has been used as a principal verb. Pay attention, principal verb. Clear बच्चों? And not as an auxiliary. Okay, तो इसको एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं आपको. लेकिन एक फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस में नीड इज फॉलोड बाई टू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही नीड्स टू गो नाउ, अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस है ये. ही डज नॉट नीड टू गो नाउ, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है ये. डज ही नीड टू गो नाउ, इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है बच्चों ये. और आप देखेंगे वन पॉइंट यू हैव टू नोट इट. आपको नोट करके मेंशन करना है ये. ओके, sometimes it to happen some rules are used to be note down as note. due to some particular changes. If you study the above sentences carefully, you will find that okay, you will find that here need has been used. Need has been used as a principal verb and not as an auxiliary. ओके बच्चों, ठीक है, नोट किया आपने. Now we are moving next to it. Your last point of auxiliary model. Okay. So now your next point is mark is as no next point as an auxiliary. As an auxiliary, dare, we are talking about here dare. Okay, किसकी बात कर रहे हैं हम? dare की बात कर रहे हैं. is used in the following cases. I'm just speaking so slowly, students, so that without watching video you will also be able to write down the rules, because these rules you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, point 1 is note point 1 in negative sentences. Next point is, students, in interrogative sentences. Next point is in sentences expressing some doubts, some doubts. Clear, students? Last point of this is for you in sentences with hardly, never, no one, nobody. Okay, for example is, note down example, he dare not fight with me. I will say with me, you will also say with me. Okay, okay, this is the example of negative sentence. ठीक है बच्चों, वैसे भी आप मुझसे लड़ोगे नहीं. ओके, यू विल नॉट फाइट विद मी. So what is our example? He dare not fight with me. Okay, clear? Next write down one more example to understand. Going to give you many examples so that you can understand very well. Okay, nobody, dared ask him about his intentions. Okay, repeating again, nobody dared ask him about his intentions. Okay, this is also a type of negative sentence. Okay, this is also negative sentence, dear students. Pay proper attention, and with this your rules and practice in models is finished. Okay, now I am going to give you some sentences for exercise. Okay, pay attention, write down this exercise also in your fair notebook. Okay, so dear students, for you the exercise first is you needn't. Okay, ought, आपको बताना है कि आपको इसमें क्या फिल करना है. कैन, हैव, टेकन, all that trouble. Okay, next point for you is you are so wise. Okay, you shall, will, have been, a philosopher. Okay, third sentence for the practice. Can I smoke? Not I. Can I smoke here? Can I smoke here? Yes, you may, ought, could. Okay, next sentence for you is the driver ought, must, may. यहाँ शुड और ऐड करिए. ओके, टू हैव बीन, more careful. Okay, next is can I smoke here? No. You may, can't, ought. Okay, this is the first exercise for you to do in a fair notebook. I'm going to give you the second one also. Okay. Okay. Now also write down the second exercise, dear students. In this exercise, you will have to fill appropriate auxiliaries. One is who, tolerate, such an insult. Okay. Now note down the second example. Fill up, I smoke here. Okay. Now third is we stand united. Okay. Fourth point is we not forget our duties. Okay. Next, last is you to serve your aged parents. Okay. For this type of the two, there is a clue for you. You can use ought. Okay. So with this, your work for models is finished. Okay. Thank you. Do practice. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Thank you.